ejoni kuthiwa bunanzi ejoni bunanzi nanzi ejoni bunanzi dzona ejoni bunanzi dzona.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bliga, and if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and share it with your friends. And then obviously, if you're returning to this channel, you obviously seen my previous videos, which is my introduction video and also the breakfast run video. But on today's video, we're here to talk about my BMW F30. So as you can see by the title of this video, I'm finally decided to fix that car. I've been neglecting that car for a few months now, and then it's been sitting there gathering all the dust, and then obviously so it's been sitting there for quite some time now, but now it's time to fix it. So I have contacted the guy who's my mechanic. He usually fix my car or do all the services on that car. So I have contacted him, and then I told him I'm gonna bring the car today, so that he can just have a look at it. But I already spoke to him about the issue that the car has, or the car is experiencing. So basically, what's happening? The car is experiencing a drivetrain warning alert. So, but it doesn't have power. It just shows that drivetrain alert. So I called him the other day, and he told me that okay, it probably might be the fuel pump. I hope that's the fuel pump. But if it's something else, if it's the engine related issue, then that'll be a problem. But today we're taking the car to him for him to have a look at the car and then check out if there's what issues that the car has, and if the issue is not major, and then you can probably fix it. But if it's major, if it requires a lot of money, which I don't have, and then actually we have to return back here to where I stay, so we can just park it until we get more money to fix it. But so on today's video, we just I'm gonna show you obviously the process on how I'm taking the car to the mechanic, and then for him to check it out, and obviously tell us what's the real issue, and if it's fixable, and then we can fix it. And then what up, guys? As I mentioned on my introduction video, this is my BMW F30. It's a 2013 model. It's a 320. So this is it. So today we're finally fixing it. It's been this car's been neglected for a couple of months now. It's been sitting here on the parking lot, grabbing dust and stuff like that. So now today we're finally taking it to the mechanic. I've already called the mechanic. I told him that I'm gonna bring the car today. I'm just waiting for the tow truck to come and collect it and drop it there by the mechanic, because the car doesn't run. I think the battery is even finished. I think the disc here. Oh, okay, the disc has fallen. I think I also need to do the disc renewal, because I think it has expired. Because it's been I think it's over a year now. So I need to do that as well. So this is my BMW F30. As you can see here, it's white in color, black wheels. And that's what about here. So every time I travel to Limpopo, or whenever I go to Limpopo in the village, I always damage my front lip. As you can see here, this was a 3-piece front lip. Now it's 2-piece. And obviously when I damage the lip, I also damaged the bumper here. So I need to get that fixed. I think the guys there where the mechanics sit, there's a workshop, there's a panel beater workshop there. So I'll ask the guys to fix this up for me and patch it for me. And then this is like I said, I did something on the car as well. So this is the double kidney grill. And then also I did the carbon fiber mirror cap, the M4 M3 mirror cap style. And also did these things. I don't know what they call these things though. I just ordered it online, and then I liked it. And also here we have the carbon fiber spoiler. I'm not a fan of this spoiler. I'm probably gonna change it soon, because I'm not a fan. I need that M style, or the M style, the M3, M4 style. And then here we have your this is your, what is this? Is your, I
think it's a carbon. Yeah, this is a carbon. Yeah, it is a carbon. It's a cheap carbon though. I need to change this as well. I need to change this diffuser and buy something because I want to make it to have two exhausts. I'm just gonna get the one with the carbon fiber diffuser with the mid-lip brake light here in the center. Yeah. So, and obviously here we have our M Performance style. This is a sticker here, and obviously the chip. This is a chip side skirt. I need to get the carbon fiber one, but slowly I'll get there. So yeah, so this is the car. I'm just waiting for a friend of mine to come and jumpstart it. I just want to show you guys the warning error that I'm getting on this car, because the car shows a drivetrain error and doesn't have power. It doesn't start. So the mechanic, when I called him, he said it might be the water pump. So I hope it's the water pump, because the water pump is a bit cheap. If it's engine mechanic, then it's gonna be a problem, because the money for the engine I don't have. But yeah, we'll see. We'll hear what he says. He was gonna diagnose it, put it on the machine, and check what's wrong with it. And then after that, he's gonna tell me what's the issue, and then we're gonna see what we do with it. If it's fixable, then we can fix it. If it's not, we'll have to save up for it and make sure that we fix it. So this car has a sunroofer and also have a black roof here. This is wrap. The previous owner did wrap it, and then but this is paint. This is a gloss paint. The shark fin. It's a gloss paint, because it was white when I bought it. Now I changed it to gloss black so that it can match with the entire roof. So the car's very dirty, guys. It's been sitting here, but I did wash it I think 2 weeks ago. And then obviously, but yeah, again, it's dirty. It's been sitting here, neglected for personal reasons. Yeah, I've been neglecting this car for personal reasons. So, but obviously those reasons I will share it on this channel, so that obviously we see the why I decided to neglect this car on this channel. But I will share it with you guys here. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for my friend now to come and jumpstart the car, so that, because the battery of this car is completely dead. There's nothing. There's no power on this car. So I'm just waiting for him to come, then we can jumpstart it, and then see if we can get some battery on it, and then I can show you that the drivetrain error and what the car does, and then after that, the towing truck will come and tow it and take it to the mechanic, and then the guy will come and and then the guy will check it out for us and then tell us what's the issue. Yeah, so this is the engine bay. As you can see, it's very dirty. I hope the guys there, the mechanic shop, they will clean it for me. It's very dirty. There's no engine oil leak. There's no leakage in this engine. I don't think there's something wrong with the engine. Just because with this BMW F30, the problem, even though it's a fuse, when it shows the drivetrain error, it doesn't do anything. So there's an issue with this F30 model with the drivetrain. Whenever it shows that drivetrain, even though it's a fuse, or even though it's something small, it can show the drivetrain and then doesn't give power to the engine. But yeah, this N20 model engine, I heard that there's issues with these engines. I read on the BMW blog, people don't recommend it. But anyway, we have the car. We need to fix it. We need to work on it until it runs again. But yeah, so this is the engine bay, as you can see. Yeah, it's looking very dirty. I hope you guys can clean it for me. Yes. Ja, like, echt heb het leer film, weet je. Yeah, I think I have to buy a new bed. Eh? Yeah, lenza malini lakho luthenge malini? 4,000. Eish. That's a lot of money. 5. Ile nkulu le. Check. Yeah guys, so the car, the battery is on. The car is fully being jump started. I just want to show you guys the error here. Okay, the car still doesn't have the full power. Yes.
Papa, look. I love rain. Papa, I love rain.
Dog drive. Okay, it doesn't show that thing yet. Maybe the battery is not fully charged. But as soon as it's fully charged, I'm just gonna show you guys that. Okay, so it's coming up. The screen is coming up. Just wanna show you guys there's a lot of BMW warning lights in here. The date is gone. It's on neutral. Okay, here the screen saying got it on it. Want to drive? You don't know what to drive next. Even there, the license disc. Where's my disc? Yeah, it's gone. Okay, let's wait for it to fully charge. Yeah, guys, so the tow truck is here. Wanna hook it up and then we'll take it to the mechanic. So I'm not sure how we're gonna do it because, yeah, look at this guy. Right. Intle mare ne? Just goed tijd doen, hè? Ish. Hey, kom. Watch out. Hey, kom. Nou kan die. Hello. Chica, come. Chica. Chica. Darma, the candelier. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so we're here on the 130. This is Jonella's car, actually. The tow truck is behind us, it's following us to the mechanic. So, I didn't drive too much. Yeah, so this is a 125. I think it's an N48 engine. Yeah, car's still fresh. Yeah, so we're here by the mechanic. We're dropping off the car now. And then see if you can tell us what's wrong with it. BMW 90. So this guy fixes BMW. It's very good. Does all my services. Does everything for the BMW.
You wash it, boss, nah?
Yeah, I watched it.
It's clean.
It's clean like it's moving. And it doesn't move. It's clean like it's moving, but it doesn't move. Yeah, so guys, we just dropped off the F30. Unfortunately, they don't have the space inside, so we parked it here outside. So I'm just gonna, they said they're gonna put it inside whenever they make some space. So now we're just dropping it here, and then the guy will call him and then tell us what's wrong with the car. Yeah, I'm bouncing out. Guys, I'm closing this vlog. If you watched until the end, thank you so much for watching, and then please stay updated, stay tuned to this channel so they can be updated on with the progress of the F30. Cheers, guys.